Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you back here and I'm hoping you are doing all well. In today's video I am going to show you how I made these resin coasters from my leftover resin that I collected over some time. So, without further ado, let's get to it. So, in today's video, I will be covering one way how to don't waste your resin, because we know that resin is quite expensive and we always try to use every last drop that we mix. Can be small pendant molds or crystal molds or any other molds. For my project I use ice making molds. And so after some while I have collected all this box and I have enough material finally for my project that I have had in my mind for some time already. So first thing I am doing is I'm placing my hexagons on a card and I'm holding them down with blue tack. So this is the first stage that I am going to place the hexagons in the place, and after that I am going to cut them with Dremel and make them into the right shape. So far it seems quite easy and fun project to do. You just take little pieces and put where you like. After the placement, I'm making the mark around them that my coaster is going to be in, and it's going to be the next step, cutting the hexagons down with my Dremel. I'm not gonna show it on camera because it makes a lot of dust, and here is already my coasters pre-cut and it's ready for the next stage. Wash of course first and then place them into the coaster molds and see if they fit or they need some more sanding. And yes, as you can see, they didn't fit properly, so I had to spend a little bit of time on each coaster and sand some pieces down into the right places. So, as this was my first attempt in these coasters, next time I would cut them not really on the mark, but cut on inside the line, and I think it's a bit better if they are millimeters smaller than a millimeter bigger, because then for sure you don't have to spend so much time actually sanding. Alright, after a good sanding time, finally they are ready. So I gave them a wash, and now it's the fun part to place them inside the coasters. So here I have premixed my resin, and I am putting down a little bit of clear, so that after when I put down my hexagons, they stay in place. And of course I will have to come back and apply a second coat to make them complete. And after everything is finished, I just cover them and let them to cure. And this is the next day. I'm back with more clear resin, and now I'm just filling the molds till the edge. And now it's couple days later. I left them to cure 100%. As you can see, I have anime blush, so that means that I will have to sand them a little bit down and give them a top coat. But it's really nice to take them out, and they are looking great. I am very happy with the result. So I'm gonna finish them and come back with the finished result. And here they are, all finished, all top coated, nice and clear. I am very happy with this project and the result, and I think I will attempt to do it in the future as well. I hope you found this video useful and entertaining. Please leave a comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!